Click on the page you want to edit. Select Edit with Elementor. Scroll down and paste the heading. Edit the text as necessary. Click on the three dots in the corner. Drag and drop the button below the heading. Click on the six dots in the middle. Go to the Style tab. Add an image by selecting Image and then select Files. Upload an image from your computer. Click on Select. Choose the No Repeat option. Select Cover. Click on the text. Go to the Style tab. Change the font color to white. Go to the Advanced tab and set the margin top value to 260. Click on the button. Set a border of 111 from all sides. Choose the color gradient option. Select the first and second colors. Finally, click on Update. Go to the Projects page on another tab. Your page is now designed using the first method.